From the outside, our life in the city looks stable. We have a stable job, we have a great amount of income, but behind the scenes, kahit gaanong effort yung ibigay namin sa work namin, and sa pag-save, and sa pag-limit ng mga expenses, we were really not close enough to achieve that goal of becoming financially free. Every month, it's just the same way. May pumapasok na income, pero almost immediately, kailangan namin i-allocate yun sa mga expenses. So we made the decision to leave the city permanently. And that became the smartest financial and life decision that we ever made. Let me ask you something. Have you ever felt na meron ngang perang dumadating, meron kang income na pumapasok sa bank account mo, pero parang the next day is ubus na and wala na, and feeling na hindi talaga enough yung savings mo? Kahit na alam mo na you are not overspending and that you are really doing your best para makasave ng mas malaki every month. But somehow, talagang walang natitira. Kung meron man, sobrang liit na you are not really satisfied of how much you are saving every month. And that was exactly the reality for us. In the city, most of our income went directly to the things that we really do not value, like rent, electricity, water expense, transportation expense, and high cost of groceries. And those convenience fees na incur mo dahil napakadali lang mag-order ng food sa Grab or sa Foodpanda. And then, we really tried to budget and look how much we really are allocating in this cost every month. And it was really shocking for us. The city was not just expensive, but it was limiting our financial growth. It really felt like we were not building wealth, but we were just maintaining a lifestyle. For us, cost and expenses was just a second factor in why we really did the decision of moving to the province. The number one trigger really for us was not the high cost of living in the city, but the main trigger was when we decided to have a child. So we sat down and discussed it for many nights. We really thought na gusto ba namin sa ganitong environment lumaki ang anak namin. And since we came from the province, we really know and we really can compare what it is like to grow up in the province versus the city. And we know for ourselves that we want our child to grow up the same as we did. One of the main points why I can really say that is because when we were living in the city for how many years, we really didn't feel like there is a great sense of community. Since yun bang kahit mismong kapitbahay mo hindi mo kilala, almost never kayo nakikita, which is very different here in the province, since kahit yung mga taong nandun sa ibang barangay kakilala mo pa. And that gave us a sense of security for our child. Gusto naming lumaki siya sa environment that there is a lesser risk of things na makakasama sa kanya. I'm not saying the city is all around bad, but if you are in the city, you know there are really more cases of criminality in the city versus in the province. I mean, that's what really we experienced. And when we compare our life in the city versus our life in the province, the gap was really impossible to ignore, because life in the city meant most of your income will be directed or allocated to big expenses like rent, transportation costs, limited living space. Living in the city also meant that you have to live in a tiny space. Because it is a fact na mahal talaga magkabahay or kahit mag-rent lang sa city. But in the province, first off, hindi na namin kailangan mag-rent. Yes, there is still electricity, but the rate is significantly lower. Hindi na namin kailangan magbayad ng tubig kasi we have a deep well here na kailangan na namin mag-set up ng water system. Kailangan namin gumamit ng water pump. And the groceries and food here is significantly lower. And in the city, wala ka talagang option na pwede kang magtanim. It is very different here in the province, since kahit sa bakuran mo lang, kaya mo magtanim ng mga gulay. For us, there was a very small business opportunity in the city. Since if you really want to start a business in the city, that means you have to find your own location, which means that you have to rent and you have to employ employees to actually run the business. Here in the province, the business opportunities for us was truly great, since we were able to start small businesses here na hindi na kailangan namin pang humanap ng maraming bantay, kasi nga nasa tapat ng bahay namin na kami na mismo ang magbantay. And that means lesser overhead, lesser salaries, and lesser expenses for us, since hindi na namin kailangan pang mag-rent. And all of this, in terms of expenses and additional income for us, really do creates a breathing space for us. And we were really able to significantly increase our savings, which means that we are able to really achieve earlier our goal of becoming financially free. And we really could say that in this moment, it really felt like that we were able to actually control our financial life comparing to previously when we were in the city, that we really felt like we were stuck, that there was nothing that we can do to increase our financial stability. And honestly, it wasn't really just the financial side. We really could say that our health, physically and emotionally, was way better than when we were in the city. Since dito talaga, mafe-feel mo yung preskong hangin. At tapos, mas less ang usok, mas less ang ingay, and we really achieved that goal of having that peace of mind. Because when we were in the city, I could really consider myself as on the heavier side. And comparing that to now, which I really lost a lot of weight because we think it's mainly due to our diet. Because dito talaga sa province, I could really say no, healthier yung food. Kasi nga, there is no way for us to actually order fast foods here. Kasi nga, walang fast food. So, we were forced to go more natural, a lot more fish, and a lot more vegetables in our diet. And we really could see that really made our emotional state more stable. I hope that I was able to give you insights on the difference between city life and our life here in the province. And see you in the next video. Bye-bye.